Yo, what's up YouTube? So right now I'm just gonna post a little video. It's gonna be a little slideshow, my 1 year mark slideshow. I'm gonna do pictures from when I just got my hair, when I got my hair cut, all the way till now, like till I recently just took out my last braids. So stick with me. It's gonna be a nice little slideshow. It's gonna be from the day I got my hair cut to now. It's gonna have a couple videos in it. Just stay tuned. Watch the video and then see what's going on. Peace. Hope you enjoy. I'll be back on right after the video, right after the slideshow. Peace. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button. Send me some comments. Hey, let me know what y'all want to see in the future. The hair's getting longer so we can do more styles. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm all about adding new content to the channel. I am going to start trying to edit my videos. So yeah, just stay tuned, man. I'm gonna try to make this little channel a little bit better and keep it from being boring. So stay tuned. We got more to come. Like, comment, subscribe. Hey, hit that bell for more notifications whenever I upload a video. Yo, I'm here, y'all. Peace. Keep throwing. Keep going. God bless. See Tom. I'm out, baby.